Welcome friends. Welcome to TradeSquare Trading System User Guide. In this video we are gonna learn about the TradeSquare Trading System. So this is our mobile application. You can download it from the Google Play Store. Okay. And this is what first look of the software. You can see that the high volume, above average, intraday trend, uptrend, positional trend, market sentiment, all the bars and the ribbon and everything is in green. So this is the best look of the software. These are basic requirement. These are the rules. Rules are very important in life. Okay. So you can understand, trade with strict stop loss. Avoid trading in wait and watch trend. Always book partial profit. Book partial profit on target 1. Strictly follow software rules. Avoid trading on false signal. When market gives you false signal, don't trade. Trade on signal after signal confirm. Means what? Like you have to always trade on second candle. Okay. Trade with the trend. Trend is your best trend. Always do trend trading. Don't do mismatch trade. Don't do trades while market is weak. Don't change time frame so frequent. So decide your time frame, at what time frame you want to trade, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever time frame you want to trade, you trade accordingly. You have to select your script list as well. Like you are gonna trade on Nifty, Bank Nifty, Bajaj Finance, Hero MotoCorp. What script you want to trade, okay? Now, avoid trading in last market. If you are an intraday trader, don't take new fresh position after 2:30, 2:45. Don't take trades because MI is gonna square it off. How to trade with TradeSquare Trading System? TradeSquare Trading System tools and identification. So these are the tools. So number 1 is trend meter. So what is this trend meter? Is the strength of the trend. If all the trend meter bars are in green, it means market is in super bullish mode. If some of them are like bullish or bearish kind of that, so you can see there is 7 bars. Okay. So if you do intraday trade, then minimum I want 3. 4 is better. Positional we must require 4 bars. Okay. The second candle always we are going to take trades. This green bar is a ribbon, trend ribbon. If it is in green, market is in bullish. If it is in red, market is in red, means bullish, bearish. This yellow line is a trailing stop loss line. The trading types depends like intraday trader, positional trader or market sentiment. So there is a uptrend, downtrend, sideways trend. There is a volume commentaries written over here. So these are all we're gonna discuss in next slides. So trend meter. See, this bar is a trend meter. So what it suggests? So first 3 bar is a bull trade. First 4 bar is a power bull trade. All signal will always give you the magic power bull trade. Okay. So the number of bar is gonna depend on which kind of trade is gonna play and how you are gonna play. So the buy sell trade definition. So if the buy trade is there and first 3 bar is supporting, it is a bull trade. First 4 bar is means power bull trade and all signal means magic power bull trade. Okay. So I hope you understood, right? Now the trader type, which kind of trader you are. Are you safe trader or are you Zabas trader? Okay. So safe trader means what? You are gonna play when intraday trend and positional trend both is in same trend. Market sentiment is also in uptrend. So if everything is favorable, then only you are gonna play. It means you are a safe mindset trader. If you are a dynamic trader, if you want to take risk, if you want to understand this thing, like you understand the risk, then you can take the risk as well. But you will be the dynamic trader, Zabas trader. You must be experienced trader. Then and then only you can play like this situation where the intraday is uptrend. So you can take intraday trade. But positional in downtrend. So basically you are doing counter trade. Okay. Now the power bull bear means what? Like both the intraday and positional trend in similar trend. Magic power bull bear trade, then the when all bar trend meters shown is similar trend, means all 7 should be favor. Okay, the green band and red band, no need to explain, bullish and bearish. The volume commentary is very important. When you are taking a buy trade, it must be above average or a very high volume or high volume kind of that. It should be above average. If volume is also supporting to your trade, then the chances are more that you will win this game. 3 bar is supporting first, second, third. 3 bar is supporting second candle green, and it is uptrend, downtrend. So only intraday trend up, so we can buy. This is bull signal. Now this is bear signal. How would you come to know? This first 3 bar is in red. Intraday is downtrend, but positional is still uptrend. But if you want to take trade, you can take trade because it is bear signal. Now power bull signal. What is the definition? First 4 bar needs to be supported. Ribbon should be green. Uptrend, uptrend and uptrend. All 3 sentiment must be supported. Volume should be very high, above average. It is a very good trade. Okay. Similar manner, sell trade. 4 bar needs to be red. Trend ribbon supported, and all those other parameters needs to be supported. Now this situation, this is a magic situation where a big trade can be happen. So all 7 bars needs to be in green, ribbon should be green, volume is high, above average, uptrend, uptrend, uptrend. So this is actually very good. Okay. So this is identify magic power bear trade. Okay. So in this you can see that all is in downtrend, 7 bars in red, signal is in red, ribbon is in red, everything is like volume is also high. Now false. Up till now what we discussed, good. Now we should also discuss what is false, which we can identify. Here the buy signal happened, but ribbon is in red. The bar is not green. The volume is not high. The trend is not matching. So this is clearly seen that this trade is not good trade. So don't trade. Similar manner, only 2 bar is red, ribbon is in red, ribbon is in green, sell trade, so mismatch, downtrend, uptrend, sideways, so it is also not matching, volume is not supported. If volume is not supported, how would you win the game? Okay, it is a false trade. Now there is a scanner which is I gonna teach you how to scan it. So this is what like scanner having 3 parameters: normal, bull bear, power bull bear, magic trades. All such kind of this we can do that. Okay. And thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna made one more video on scanner only. Okay. So thank you for watching.